Hi, my name is Lenny Mellon with Guaranty RV Centers, Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to introduce you to a 2018 Keystone Cougar 29 BHS WE. It's got complete jack leveling system on it, power jack level system on it, which you don't see on a lot of trailers, but you see a lot on the fifth wheels. But this is a nice system. It's got a big bike rack in the back that you can store bikes on, firewood, whatever you might want to do. It's got a big slide. It's got pass-through storage up front. Got two big 7-gallon propane tanks, power tongue jack. It's got lighting up front on your cap so you can see at night when you hook and unhook. Outside speakers for your stereo. It's got a full kitchenette also, refrigerator and pull-out stove so you cook outside. This has got the Polar package on it, which is an all-season package, so you can use this all seasons, all 4 seasons. As you walk into the coach, you can enter from 2 ways. You got 2 doors. Main door is going to enter into the kitchen and right by the bedroom. You got a big walk-around bed up front with shirt closets on each side, with a door that closes off into the bedroom for privacy. You've got a huge pantry right off the bedroom, walking in by your kitchen. You can store a lot of stuff, clothes, canned goods, whatever you want, but it's huge, huge pantry. You got lots of countertop in the kitchen for cooking. You've got a 3-burner stove and oven, plus a microwave. You've got a full 8 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. You got probably, looks like a 40-inch, maybe 45-inch big screen TV with DVD, CD, all the good stuff that you need. Big TV. Then across from the TV, you got your really comfortable recliner sofa with a booth dinette, which folds down to make a bed if you need it. In the back, you got your bunks. You got 2 bunks, 2 big bunks. You can probably put 2 people on each one of them. Also, in the bunk area, the bottom bunk folds up, and there's a rear door, so you can store stuff from that rear door into the bunk area if you're not using that back bunk, like small bicycles or whatever you might have for the children. In the corner in the rear is your bathroom. Big sink, big medicine cabinet, big shower. It's got a vent, power vent in the bathroom. It's also got a 13,500 BTU air conditioning that's ducted from the front of your coach, of the trailer to the back of the trailer. If you have any more questions, please give me a call at 541-228-4584. Thank you.